cat food. Getting ready.
Getting ready.
Getting ready.
Getting ready. Okay.
Kitten food, cat food. Spoon in case the loco's in the bank vault. And wash my hands. Let's go, Brody. All right.
All right, cat people. We're going out and doing the daily deal. So welcome to our neighborhood, Casco Cat. You're going to come out and visit some of our furry friends. Leanne goes out every single day for years and has personal relationships with the cats. Season born, season graduate, season go on to be parents. So we're going to share a little bit about our community with you. Say hi, Leanne.
Hi, Leanne.
All right, let's do this.
It's not raining, is it?
No, it's not raining.
Got your keys?
Yeah.
All right, let's go feed some kitties. Kitty, kitty, kitties. Don't get run over. Okay, let's watch this. Let's see if they come running. Here they come.
Here they come.
Come on, puppies. Come on, Diane. Hi, Bloom. Hey, Di. Hello. Hey, Cece. How you, buddy? How you? Hello, my little love bug. My little love bug with funny feet. Here you go. Here you go. I know you're all starving. There you go. Let's get them going. Okay, spread out, spread out. Spread out.
So what we got here, Leanne?
This one's Diane.
Yeah.
She was born with deformed feet. If you look at her toes, she doesn't have all her toes. And she was named because I had a diabetic friend who lost her toes and she never let that get her down. She lived life to the fullest, just like this kitty does.
Who's this guy?
This is Plume. Plume says, move over and let me have some food. There you go. Spread it out. Share, share. There's plenty. There's plenty. And there goes Cece. Poquito más. Here you go. There you go. Here you go, Plumie. There's you. All right. Put some more on the other side. Let's get these. Let's get these. Have a little more. Because I'm sure Cece will come running back over here. Yep, as noted, there he is. Right on time, Cece. You are predictable. All right, mi amores. Let's go to the next one.
All accounted for?
Yes, all accounted for. There's 7. 7 in the Diane and Cece house.
Do we have names for all of them?
No. One of them were triplets that became twins. So I called them the triplets. Now I call them the twins. And then there's another couple that are like twins, but they're not related. But somewhere down the line, they're related. Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo está?
So we don't only make friends with the cats, we make friends with the neighbors.
All right. Now we're going to go past the 8th Street Gang in Casco. Keeps us all safe at night. Big advocates.
Hola, hola, hola. And this dog likes to follow me now. Let's see if he does it tonight. If he realizes. Yep, he's got me figured out too. So he gets a little kitty treats. He gets some kitty treats. Yeah, he gets some kitty treats. Here you go, Pupster. There you go, Bubs. Yeah, it's not just all about the cats. We like dogs as much. All right, let's see if Loco's in the bank vault. No, that means he's gonna, oh, look, here he comes. What? What? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go back to your park. Come on. Let's do it. We got to be careful crossing the street. This is Loco, and I'll show you why I call him Loco. Ooh! That's one reason I call him Loco. Loco, you can't do that.
That wouldn't have done very well for episode 1. You know, that was in
You can't do that. You can't do that, Bubby. That's not part of your it's not part of your contract. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, you ready? All right. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. 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 All right. Okay, Loco. Loco loves attention. He would rather be petted than eat. So, he will not let me go without getting this love time in. And he likes to rub his face on me and drool. Uh-oh, here comes another one of your buddies. Okay, you didn't see him, that's good. You won't go hiss at him. Okay. Yeah, he does. Okay, buddy, okay. Loco's the reason I usually come home dirty. Because he's a dirty boy. Right, Loco? Right? Say hi. Say hi. Can you hear? Say hi. Okay. Yep. I get you too. Alrighty. Oh, give me kisses. Give me kisses. Give me kisses. That's a boy. Oh, yes. Thank you. Good kisses. They're sweet kisses. Sweet kisses. Okay. Can we try? Okay. Oh. Okay. Can we try to eat now? Can we have food time now? Can we do this? Okay. All right. Oh, purring. It's purring. He's purring. Okay. Oh. Can you hear him purring? All right, love bugs. All right, love bugs. All right. Here. Okay. There you go. That's yours. Now, put some in for this other buddy. Oh! Are you going to go in the bag? You going to go in the bag? Oh, wait. Okay. We weren't prepared for that. All right. There you go. Get off. Okay. All right. Now, let's see if he'll let me leave. Okay. I got to distract you to feed you. There you go. Here, look. 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 Ow! No. Get out of here. Get out here. Get out here. Here. There. Okay. Eat your food. Come on. Eat your food. Okay, let's see if we can sneak. We gotta sneak.
That was fun.
That was crazy. And I only came out with one scratch today. Hola.
Hola, buenas noches, ¿cómo
Buenas
estás?
noches. Bien. ¿Y tú?
Bien, bien.
Bien.
It's the new hamburger place getting ready to open.
Americana Bazaar, I think, is the name of it.
And then the Italian restaurant right next door.
Yeah. All in the beautiful.
This
Oh, this is going to be the entry to the rooftop. And they're going to do the projector, run the films, the old films in there.
wow.
All in the beautiful Hyatt La Compagnia hotel. Come on. This is one of Luke's gang. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Go home. Go home. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, I know. I know. Oh, here they come. Here they come.
There they go.
Not yet. Luke's coming though. He's gotta fight his way out through He's gotta fight his way out through the grasses in the building. Oop, 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 pardon. Excuse me, puppies. Come on. Come on. Hi. No, easy. Come on.
There's the black one behind you. Bad blackie. That's
Yeah.
Luke, right?
No. This one's Iris. Oh, there's Luke. He has to go through the gauntlet. And if you see Lukey,
Yeah.
Lukey has a broken leg. There you go. He got his leg broken somehow. We don't really know the full story, but he was a very youngster when it happened. And he just gets on with life. We took him to the vet and had it x-rayed, and it was determined that the only thing that could do anything to help him would be to amputate it at the shoulder. But he was old enough that he already learned how to use it and balance with it. He actually cleans his face with his broken leg, and he uses it for balance. And he will, when he goes quickly, he will use that broken leg as a little stump. And let me feed this black one before he gets really angry.
And this was around pre-COVID, right? Or
Yeah,
around COVID time.
it happened. Yeah,
So we're
before
very lucky.
before COVID. All right, Blackie, scoot back. Don't swat me. Feeding stray cats, feral cats, is sometimes a dangerous a dangerous job. Get back.
You can see, peeps, this is no easy feat. This is no rough.
Hey,
Look how beautiful.
scoot back. Scoot back. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Okay. Here you go. Here's some more. Oh, I missed you in there. Hi, buddy. Here you go. There you go. More for you, Iris. There you go. Iris, you're getting brave. Oh, hello, monkey. Hello, monkey. Come on. There you go. Here you go, Loopster. Come on, bud. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 again. Sometimes there's more here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think we're good. Yeah, now we're going to go to the 4th Street gang, literally. Gangs of cats and
Ah, the 4th Street gang.
the 4th Street gang.
Yeah. 4th Street gang, kitty cat.
Yep. And recently we had an addition to the gang.
Okay.
There's I've been told 3 kittens because the guys on the street tell me they've seen 3, but I've seen 2.
So if we're lucky tonight, maybe we'll see 3.
If we're lucky. And if we get to, we've named the little baby that comes out the runt. He's so tiny and he's got kind of a wonky leg. So Jamie, one of the neighbors, said that we should call him Bowie, but I think it's a her, but Bowie's still a cute name.
Bowie as in David Bowie.
As in David Bowie. Or
I can live with that.
Bowie because she's bow-legged. It's a nice night. This breeze feels good. Yeah. Look at the blue sky.
Well, Central Avenue, Casco Cat.
Oh, there's a big gecko on the wall. Right up there. See? More wildlife.
Local restaurants.
Uh-oh. It's not getting... Hola. Okay, let's see if we can... I don't want to call them until there's no cars moving because...
This is now the 4th Street gang. Hola, senor.
Hola, hola. And I don't want to call them until... because there's a car backing up. Hola, ¿cómo está? Oops. Hola, hola.
Sandy?
Yep, Sandy.
Okay.
Oh, the baby's out.
No way.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, let's have a look.
Look.
Is
Look.
that one of the babies?
See the baby? See the baby? Look, the tiny, tiny one. See him? That's Bowie. See how his left leg's a little bowed? It's kind of funny because Mom actually had an accident and broke her leg. And now the baby kind of was born with the same kind of leg. Come on. Come on. Oh, don't step on the baby. Don't step on the baby. I know he's so tiny. You haven't seen him yet, have you, James? I told you he's very tiny. He's very tiny. Hi, little bits. Come here, baby boy. Come here, baby boy. Oh, you've got to see this little guy. You've got to see this little guy. I think it's a girl. I'm going to feed you, I promise.
Yes.
It's just so sweet. This is the runt of the litter because the other one is like twice this size. But this is the brave one. This one comes out and runs around down here in the street under the cars. All right, let's get him some food because he's like, stop holding me and feed me. Give me some food and feed me. Here, Cassidy. There you go. Here you go. There you go. Hi, sweetie. Did you eat back there? You got your food back there, but okay. Unfortunately, I still haven't seen Spooky in 4 days.
That's their front door right there, isn't it? The little hole.
That little hole? Yeah. Here you go. Hi, Sandy. Sandy can be a bit of a biatch. Come on. Come on, Cassidy. I'm gonna put her down here. Come on, Sandy. Come on, Sandy. There you go.
You know me.
Okay. All right.
All right, we good?
How you doing, Tina? What's up, Tina? Sandy. We have to remember that these cats are all feral. Born on the streets. So they're not really good with all people and noises. Okay, come on, Cassidy. It's okay. There you go, little bits. Cassidy is the mom of this little beauty. Oh, you're just so tiny. You're just so tiny. You know what? You've grown. You've grown a bit. You weren't this big when I saw you first. No, you weren't this big. You were just a teeny tiny one. Now you're just a big, big cat. Big, big cat. Yeah. Here you go. No, you don't need that. You don't need that. Here you go.
Onward, upwards.
Yep, I'm going to put a little more out so that they don't take it away from the baby. Sandy doesn't seem interested in food.
Well, that's a good.
Yeah, that is.
First TV appearance, that's good that she's on her best behavior.
Yeah, she hasn't been a total biatch, like I said. She can be. Hey, and this is funny. I call this one baby because this one used to be the baby.
Oh, that was Sandy's baby, right?
Yeah, no. Yeah, before she had them before she got spayed.
Look at the little guy down there. Look at that. He blends in with the flowers and the cats.
I know,
He's so small.
he's camouflage. He's camo kitty. And of course it doesn't help that, remember this was Screaming Baby, because remember how Screaming Baby used to just scream?
Yeah.
Go on, Tina. Go back and eat. It's okay. There you go. But now Baby's the biggest.
That's really funny.
Yeah, but I still call him Baby. So one thing you might not know is here in Panama, when they become part of the spay-neuter, the trap-neuter release program, they clip their ears. But here in Panama, in other countries it was always that they clipped just the left ear, but here in Panama they clip the right ear for males and the left ear for females. So you can see when a cat's been spayed and neutered, and you can also tell the sex.
And that's part of the Spay Panama program.
Yep, Spay Panama.
And that's one of the things we do once a year? I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah, we try to do it whenever we need to, and we are needing to do it soon. Here, eat your pile. Let Mama have hers, you eat yours. I know you're a big kitty. So, you guys good for the night? Yeah? Happy with your room service? Okay. Well, until tomorrow, be safe.
Okay, on to the House of Screams.
Oh, yes. Smells a little bit like pee back there. Human pee.
Oh, really?
Part of the charm. Sandy, go home. Go home, Sandy. Yes, go home. Mia Moore, stop. Go back. I don't want you crossing the street. Oh, thank you. No. Oh.
Now we go to the House of Screams.
Well, let's see how loud it is tonight. Meow, meow, and all so silly. You're all so silly. You like won't let me put the food down. Here you go. There you go. All right. Got enough?
This is one of the toughest locations because there's just a lot of people and a lot of traffic, isn't it?
Yes.
Jeez Louise, Sandy just went across the
Oh,
street.
I can't. That's the cars and traffic here are the biggest predator and the hardest thing to deal with.
Yeah, sure is. Well, they say that one day that this will be a pedestrian-only community, so we're moving in the right direction. So I think eventually one day it will be.
That would be a lovely.
Slowly but surely.
That would be lovely.
Yeah, it would.
Hola. Hola. All right, so now we go to the house of Julie, but Julie was adopted and gotten off the streets, and she's living life on someone's cushy sofa. But she used to live in this spot. But now we have these two that took over her spot. Yeah. These are two little bubs. This one has a funny ear, so I call him Crinkle. Someone calls him Chip because his ears looks like the shape of a potato chip. And then this one got to be called Sammy because he was chips, sandwich and chips. They say, no, we're busy eating. And then this is our wonderful friend who is the security guard here, who always speaks and waves. Hola, señor. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, bien, bien. They all know that my Spanish is limited, so ¿Cómo estás? And hola. Bien. Et tu? That's.
When you get out and back, what you mean, your Spanish will kick in and you'll be fluent.
Oh, that's very scary.
Yeah.
Speaking of scary, this is another treacherous spot.
Okay, yeah.
Good. They're all three over here. Yeah. So I don't have to stop traffic. Usually I have to stop traffic. Hola, señor. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, señor. Okay, here we go. Into the dark room.
Here you go, Bubs. The other day. Hi, Bonnie. Come on, Bonnie. It's too bad it's not brighter out here today because these three cats have the most amazingly beautiful blue eyes.
We'll come back a little bit earlier one day.
Yeah.
When your yoga schedule permits.
Yeah.
Leanne comes out every night after yoga.
Or before. Before or after.
There we go. I'm never going to get that right.
Nope.
You're going to hear this as we
Yep.
record. Anytime I say something,
Yep.
you're going to get the complete opposite.
No, you're going to get the correct response.
There you go. This is our new
Patisserie.
Oh, hello.
Hola. Now?
Oh, well, hold on a minute. We got to show off the new. This is the uptown of Casco Viejo because this group of cats lives in the backyard of the new-to-be Sofitel Legends Hotel, Casco Viejo, Panama.
It'll be exciting to see it open.
Yeah, it will be exciting to see it.
We've watched it for years.
Years and years and years. But that's the fabulous thing about Panama. It just moves forward, upwards and onwards a little bit each year.
Okay, so this is Artisanal Alley. We can call it that. This is where all of the indigenous people come and sell their artware. The moles, which are famous. Okay, let's call them.
Oh, here we go.
Hey, Mimi. Hi, bud. As you can see, this one is not lacking in food.
It's most probably the healthiest cat.
I think he's the biggest one. And this is Mimi. Well, it depends on which end of the alley we are. One down here, these call him Mimi, and the people at the other end call him Perla. So, and everyone thinks he's a girl, Mimi and Perla, but he's technically a boy. But, well, I guess technically he's actually neither at this point, because he's made the trip to Spay, Panama. And this is Blackie. And Blackie is also a good-sized kitty cat.
Blackie's my buddy.
Blackie loves to be petted
Blackie's
too.
my buddy.
Yeah. Blackie's got a beautiful black coat. Yep. So I hear people always walk by and say, these are the biggest street cats they've ever seen.
Yeah, and they're the best fed, aren't they?
Well, that's, yep. Come on, Blackie.
Scaring him with the camera.
Yeah.
Okay, well on that note, and it's getting late, we're going to wind it down. So thank you, Leanne, for bringing us out tonight. And we look forward to doing this again.
Tomorrow?
We'll do this, yeah, maybe tomorrow or the next day, but we're going to try and get a video out at least once a week.
Yep.
Until, actually... Well, friends, thank you very much for coming out with us this evening. We do appreciate it. This is something that we've been doing for years, and some people enjoy it and some people maybe not. But this is the deal. We're new at this, and we know that if we get 50 subscribers, right, we can do live stream.
What does that mean, James?
That means I don't have to go home and do any editing,
Oh.
and you'll get to see reality cat TV on a regular basis.
That should be
So,
entertaining.
Please help us, and if you can help us reach 50, then we can live stream, and then we can get more intimate and up close and personal with the Casco Cat Community.
Peace out.